dancing gently in the sky. K is for kangaroo, jumping with grace, carrying a joey in her Poochie space. K is for key, open the door, let's explore and learn some more. K is for king, crown on his head, sits on the throne dressed in red. K is for koala, cuddly and slow, climbs eucalyptus trees, you know. K is for kitchen, full of fun, baking cookies one by one. K is kind and full of cheer, let's keep learning year by year. L is for lion, mighty and proud, roar so strong and bold and loud. L is for ladder, climbing high, reaching stars up in the sky. L is for leaf, green and bright, blows in the breeze, what a sight. L is for lamp, shining light, keeps you safe in darkest night.
L is for lion, mighty and proud, roars so strong and bold and loud. L is for ladder, climbing high, reaching stars up in the sky. L is for leaf, green and bright, blows in the breeze, what a sight. L is for lamp, shining light, keeps you safe in darkest night. L is for lemon, sour but fun, a yellow fruit that loves the sun. L is for ladybug, red with dots, likes to rest in garden spots. L is lovely, L is light, let's keep learning day and night. L is for monkey, playful and wild, swings on trees like a happy child. M is for moon, glowing so bright, lights the sky in the quiet night. M is for milk, creamy and white, good for bones and such a delight. M is for mountain, tall and wide, snowy caps on every side. M is for magnet, sticks so tight, to metal things it holds just right. N is for nest, cozy and small, where baby birds sleep and call. N is for net, catching a ball, or butterflies at summer's call. N is for nose, for sniff and smell, helps us sense things really well. N is for night, so quiet and deep, time to dream in peaceful sleep. N is for nurse, helping with care, kind and gentle, always there. N is for newspaper, stories to read, full of pictures, facts and need. N is me, and now we know, let's go on and let it flow. O is for octopus, arms all around, 8 squiggly legs that swirl and bound. O is for owl, wise and wide-eyed, hoots at night where secrets hide. O is for orange, juicy and bright, full of flavor and sunshine light. O is for ocean, big and blue, full of creatures old and new.
O is for oven, baking a pie, smells so sweet you want to try.
O is for onion, round and bold, adds great flavor when it's cold.
O is awesome, yes indeed, let's move on